Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Tetris. Your main goal is to clear lines by arranging falling blocks, called tetraminos, to form complete horizontal rows. There are 7 distinct tetramino shapes, each made of 4 squares. You can rotate and move these blocks as they descend. The game ends if your stack of blocks reaches the top of the playing field. To elevate your game, try mastering advanced techniques. T-spins involve rotating a T-shaped block into a tight space for extra points. Many players create a 4-block-wide well on one side to set up for a Tetris, clearing 4 lines at once. Also, use the hold feature to save a useful piece for later, and practice quick soft and hard drops. Scoring in Tetris rewards efficiency. Clearing a single line typically earns 100 points, while a Tetris, clearing 4 lines at once, awards a significant 800 points. Clearing multiple lines consecutively, known as a combo, also provides bonus points. Many versions offer diverse game modes, such as the Endless Marathon or the Speed-Focused Sprint, each with unique objectives. To consistently improve your Tetris skills, focus on maintaining a flat stack, which minimizes difficult gaps. Always pay attention to the next cue, showing you the upcoming 3 to 5 tetraminos, allowing you to plan ahead. Regular practice is key to enhancing your reaction time and spatial reasoning. Watching replays of your own games or observing skilled players can also provide valuable insights.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.